Welcome! In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to download and install Rhino 3D on both Windows and macOS. This guide is made especially for beginners, so don't worry if this is your first time installing software. Just follow along carefully, and you'll have Rhino running in no time. Rhino, also known as Rhinoceros 3D, is a professional 3D modeling software used in architecture, product design, jewelry design, and many other creative fields. Most schools provide students with access to a trial or educational license. First, open your web browser. In the address bar, type www.rhino3d.com and press enter. Always make sure you are downloading from the official website to avoid unsafe or incorrect versions. Once the website loads, look for the download option in the menu. Click on it. You will now see options for Windows and macOS. Choose the version that matches your computer. If you are using Windows, click Download for Windows. Once the file finishes downloading, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. If a security message appears, click Run. The installation wizard will open. Click Next, accept the license agreement, and continue clicking Next until you see Install. Click Install and wait for the process to finish. This may take a few minutes. Once completed, click Finish. You can now open Rhino from your desktop or Start menu. If you are using a Mac, click Download for macOS. After the file downloads, open the .dmg file. A window will appear. Drag the Rhino icon into the Applications folder. Then open your Applications folder and double-click Rhino. If macOS shows a security message, go to System Settings, then Privacy and Security, and click Open Anyway. Rhino will now launch on your Mac. When you open Rhino for the first time, you may be asked to sign in or activate a license. If you are a student, use your school email address or follow your instructor's instructions for the educational license. If you are using a trial version, follow the on-screen steps to start your free trial. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Rhino 3D. If you experience any issues, make sure your system meets the minimum requirements listed on the website. Now you're ready to start modeling. Good luck and enjoy creating.